wig is brought to you by Curlyme Hair. It is a 26-inch Burmese curly half wig, and it is absolutely flawless. If you want to see me install it, keep on watching. Hey, what's up, you guys? So I'm really excited to install this wig today because I absolutely am addicted to half wigs. I feel like it's probably one of the best protective styles that you can get if you're trying to fix your hair, grow it out, protect it, do whatever. A half wig is great because it literally requires the bare minimum leave out. So I'm just removing this elastic band here because I don't personally need it, but if you want it for extra security, absolutely feel free. I love how the installation of these wigs are so simple. I'm literally just tucking in the combs into my hair, and I don't have issues with the combs tugging at my hair or pulling them out or anything like that. It's super secure and it's no tension or anything like that on my natural hair. I make sure it's sitting comfortably and not pulling. And then I also love that it has this drawstring in the back because it gives me extra security in the back. So nobody is ripping off this wig from the front, back, side to side, nothing. But my main love for this wig are these curls, like this Burmese curly. Whoever came up with that, you're the GOAT. So styling is so easy with this hair. I'm literally just doing my baby hairs. I know there's some baby hair warriors out there that don't like them. Definitely feel free to slick your edges just straight back if you want to. I love some swoops, okay? I will advocate for swoops till the end of the world, okay? Because I feel like it just gives the hairstyle a little something extra when you got a little swoop in there. It's like the garnishment on top of a really good meal, you know? So I don't know, it just adds a little razzle dazzle. So I'm just taking my edge booster, of course, and my edge brush and swooping my edges. I feel like it just, you know, adds a little something to it. So after I styled my edges, I'm now just pulling a little bit more hair out with my comb to make sure that I have enough to cover up the seam in the front of the wig. And that's what I also love about this, is that you can make any modifications or updates needed because the wig is so simple to slide on and off. Now, because this is a Burmese curly wig, I'm not going to define the curls how I normally do with regular curly wigs. With this one, I'm just going to use the fluff out method because I want to keep the little coils in the bottom. Now, don't get me wrong, you can recoil the hair if you need to, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to fluff it so you can see what the coils look like or how they come, you know, straight from the source, from the vendor. So I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and I'm dragging the comb all the way down to the bottom, but I'm stopping right before I get to those curls, and that's going to make it full and fluffy. And this is the finished look. Look, first of all, notice how quick that was to install this wig. It literally took no time. And then second of all, look how good it looks. It is super thick, super fluffy. I love flipping it over to the side because that's cute. But another thing that I love is that you have versatility with this wig. So I'm just going to show you a couple of hairstyles that you can do with this wig. Trust me, this is not everything you can do, but these are some of my go-tos. So the first one, of course, is a half up, half down. So if you notice, I didn't leave out a ton of hair in the front, so you can kind of see the little front right there, but that's what headbands are for. And I love the look of headbands nowadays. I feel like they look so classy. I feel like it makes the style look so neat and it's so refreshing. So anyways, I have a pink headband to match my outfit and I'm going to put it on, and I think it looks really good with the style. Lastly, it wouldn't be a go-to hairstyle video if I didn't do a ponytail, because a ponytail hates to see me coming, first of all, because I love ponytails because they're so cute and out of the way. And especially with thick fluffy hair like this, I think the curls just add a little something extra to a ponytail look. It just, I don't know, it elevates it to me. And the thing I love about this is you can choose how you want the ponytail. You can have it like wild and fluffy like this. It's just kind of how I decided to rock it. Or you can tuck it into like a neat bun if you want to. You can definitely like uncoil some of those coils, like pull them apart. If you want more of the coiled look in your ponytail, it's up to you. The possibilities are endless. But something that I did want to do is I took a little claw clip And I just like pinned the ponytail up just so I can have more volume towards the top of my head, because I love some volume. You know, I think it just adds a little something to it. Anyways, I feel like this hairstyle is so cute and effortless, especially with the pink claw clip to match my pink headband, to match my pink top and my pink sweater and my pink room. Anyways, so definitely love this hairstyle. Definitely love this wig, okay? Like, first of all, the curls in here are super soft. And considering how thick it is, I don't have any issues with tangling, surprisingly, and shedding is definitely super minimal. But anyways, adore this wig so much. Definitely check it out. It's in the link below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.